fam. Pack with me. It's been a while since we've done something like this. So I'm packing for my trip with my oldest, like bestest childhood friends. You guys know them, you've seen them on my vlogs before. It's so weird because this is our first ever trip that it's just us girls ever since becoming a mom. Yep. It's our first ever trip and it's crazy. We've been friends for so long and we've never been able to do this. Sandy, one of my friends, she came to us and she told us that she really needed this. It's been 5 years since she gave birth to her first ever child, and ever since then she hasn't left her side, like ever. And so she really wanted to do this and she felt like this is her only time, like her only chance to be able to do this. So even though I feel like this is the worst time for me to go out of town and take a vacation, as a friend, I will push through it because I know that this is what my friend needs. And for that reason alone, I have to do it. There's no way for us not to do this. Because you know, moms need this. Moms need their break. And if a mom tells you that she needs her break and she really needs this, then you drop everything and do it. So here we are, rallying behind her. And if you guys have mommy friends as well, make sure to check up on them and make sure to also take them out. Doesn't have to be a long trip. It could be just like, you know, a dinner date, a lunch date. I'm sure that they will appreciate it because it's good for their mental and emotional well-being. This is coming from my own experience as well. So yeah, dami ko lang sinabi. Anyway, let's start the packing. But first, I must get something downstairs because if I don't do it now, I'll forget for sure. Super no shade to the resort we're going to, but I really need to bring a bottled water, a couple of bottled water. We actually just got a fresh batch of our Wilkins Distilled delivered. And we really trust Wilkins Distilled because Joni and I actually have really sensitive tummies. Well, more Joni actually, like ever since meeting him, every year, he always gets tummy problems. Like really bad tummy problems. Like the type na he wouldn't be able to like get out of bed. And TMI, actually, I'm nursing a tummy flu right now. I feel like I'm not fully recovered yet, but it just happened like the other night. Nagising ako at 4 a.m. with like a really bad tummy ache, and I knew it was something that something wasn't agreeing with my tummy at 4 a.m. So then I just want to be extra careful because mahirap na when I'm out of town. And I feel like it's because of the water. Like my tummy doesn't agree with the water. Natuto na ako na I'd baon some bottles of water with me just to make sure, because my tummy is just for some reason is extra sensitive when I'm at the beach. I don't know why. I really don't know why. Like that's why I'm also like really careful to order drinks because feeling ko it's also the ice that's affecting my tummy. So I'm just really careful with my water consumption, especially when I'm at the beach. And no shade to the resort, like any resort talaga. Parang that usually happens to me. It's just a mystery to me, honestly. Yeah, mahirap na because you know, I'm already going on a girls trip na nga. I'm gonna be away from Sienna and then baka magkasakit pa ako if I'm not like super safe. I don't want to come home sick and not be able to spend time with my family, especially with Sienna. So better safe than sorry is my motto as a mom and as a wife. And I've tried and tested Wilkins Distilled. I'm sure my tummy will agree with this type of hydration. As a thirsty tita, hydration is important. Okay, so I'll see if I can bring more bottles with me after I finish packing. But anyway, normally my process would be, if you guys are an OG Cam fam, then you know that I must already have like mga pre-selected, curated photos of the stuff I'm bringing with me because I have photos of all my clothes. So then I just browse through my albums and then choose the items there, and then those are the ones that I would like try on and then take photos and then pack. But because your mama is busy and it's also super late at night, I have to wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. We're not gonna try anything on. We're just gonna pack. Okay, let's do this. Let's pack clothes first. So that's usually my process. Clothes first, and then from there, I'm gonna choose my shoes and then my accessories. And then toiletries. Okay. Bikinis. Bikinis first. Swimwear first. Okay, so I'm gonna be bringing this one. I've packed this before, didn't get to wear it, but now hopefully I get to wear it. It's really cute. It's by Norma Illet. I'm not really sure, but it's this one. It's a luxury swimwear brand. I'm gonna pack this. And then let's also bring this one. Also already wore this. This is by Moeva. So it's this cute bikini. It's bejeweled. And it's got a high-waist bottoms. Cute. I actually prefer high-waisted bottoms and one-piece swimsuits. I feel more comfortable in them with my current body after giving birth. Then for our next bikini, I'm gonna go for this. from a brand called Anaya. So this is a local brand naman. And they sent this to me a few months ago na. And I wore this actually already when I was shooting for Resorts World Sentosa, but I want to wear it again. So ganyan siya. It's got this bikini bottoms, it's high waist as well. And it ties around like so. It's perfect. If, for example, you have a little bit of a belly, it hides that because there's some sort of like detail here, some ruching, and so perfect talaga siya. I also find that these bandeaus fit my current body type as well better because I've gotten so much thinner ever since giving birth, right? For some weird reason. And that's not what I want. But anyway, it's what has been given to me. So I feel like my chest is even more like bony. It's extra bony. Like my bones are really coming through, and so bandeaus make me look less bony. So I'm gonna bring this. Then finally, 4 days, 4 swimsuits. This is the 4th swimsuit I'm gonna bring. It's by Banana Moon. It's just a white swimsuit. It's got some texture over here, got some nice lines. Okay, done with the swimwear. Next is for our day wear. So my day wear is basically anything that will go with the swimsuit I'm wearing. So they're kind of like a cover up or like pants. Okay, this one, a nice kimono from Love Wave. It's one of the brands on Revolve. Super cute. It's got these fringe on the sleeves. I feel like it goes really well with my Dusty Rose bikini. We're gonna go for this for our day wear number 1. And then for day wear number 2, I'm gonna go for this black dress cover-up thing. Had this for the longest time as well. Feel like our theme for this trip is Madame. It's gonna go long and dramatic. Oh, okay, next. We can wear the white bikini with this dress. It's from Mueva as well. I think I've already worn this when we went to Boracay with Sienna, but I feel like di ko pa siya masyadong na-showcase, so I want to wear it again. And for the white maillot, maybe I could just wear it with like some pants. These pants, because I feel like they go so well with these stripes on my swimsuit. Yeah, cute. Okay, done. She's a fast packer. So we're done with that. And then our night outfits would be, how many nights? 3 nights. Okay. Outfit number 1. Back. This is by Self Portrait. Wore this during our honeymoon. See, it's not true I don't repeat outfits. I always do. You guys just don't notice. Outfit number 2. Back. This kimono that I've been wanting to wear for the longest time, but I always forget to wear it. It has shorts as well. Found them. Wear it with these. Cute, cute, cute. And then, one more for nighttime. This, also this skirt paired with, it's a co-ordered by Denise Aquino, who also owns Tokyo Posh. So she gifted this to me. I feel like I haven't really showcased this as well. So we're gonna bring that. So that's already for 3 nights, 9, 10, 11. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we start to pack. Whoa, almost fast. But we need a going home outfit. So this is our going home outfit. An easy peasy dress by Jill Lau. An amazing designer as well. Okay, beautiful. Every time I go to the beach, I like bringing like an easy dress that I could just wear, let's say for morning breakfast, for the buffet, if I'm like still so lazy to dress up, or if I'm going to the spa, having a massage, something I can easily just slip on. This has been with me for so long. It's from Mango, and this is always the dress that I bring with me, my safety dress. Okay, there you go. We have all our clothes. Let's pack the clothes now. The problem with this dress lang, it's always wrinkled, but I guess it comes with a style. For this poofy dress, we're gonna fold it by the seams. Just gonna fold it real loose. This one is super easy because it won't get wrinkled. So now we're gonna pack my pajamas in. So bra. Then I usually bring like a container like this for wet stuff. Like for example, I have to go home now and my bikini still isn't dry. So then I put it in this so it doesn't make the other items in my luggage wet. Bring these two with me. Put them in dust bags. And then bag. What bag are we bringing? Okay, since we're staying at the resort the entire time, I'm just gonna bring one bag with me, which is what I'll bring at the airport. We'll bring this bag. And then accessories. Let's pack our accessories. We'll just put everything here. I'm almost lazy. I just grabbed whatever pouch I saw here. So for sure I want to bring this one. If I can open it. Where is it? Oh, there. So we'll bring this one. Bring this one also. These are the recent ones I bought from Boracay. We'll get this brown one as well. And bring this one as well. I had a pink one there as well. So let's see. Maybe we'll use this one as well. And then some gold ones. I like this one's. I'm wearing it. So that's it. That's it. Okay, I'm not gonna bring any like bracelets. Just want to keep it simple and light. I'll bring some earrings. I always just bring these two. These silver hoops or these gold hoops. Both I had customized by GMA. Yay! Accessories. Okay, we're done with that. Now just toiletries. Mama's on a roll. Toiletries. Already all packed up. I like putting them in smaller cases so that I don't have to bring a lot. Makeup, I won't be able to show you guys because I am too tired. But anyway, I'll be putting them here. So this is where I'm gonna put my makeup. And these are where I'm gonna put the brushes. And then this is my usual charger case that I travel with. And that's why they're all here. I usually travel with this. Pero babawasan ko pa to because I'm not gonna be bringing my camera with me. I'm not gonna be bringing all my gadgets with me. This is just an out trip. So I'm gonna just take whatever I need from this. And then we're done! Ta-da! All done. So I just need to put my makeup kit there. And then we're done. I will also just probably bring one pair of sunnies. My usual pair. And then we're ready to go! Hopefully there's still time for me to get like 6 hours sleep. Oh, I need to pack pa also scrunchies. But yeah, that's it. That's it, everyone. Yeah. Thank you for joining me with this Pack With Me sesh. See you guys at the beach.